Hey guys, this is Richard from Debaru, and in this video I'll be walking you through the affiliate network WeWe Media. Okay, so as you can see, we have WeWe Media, the global leading performance network. And the first thing we can see on this page is Business of Apps Top Affiliate Networks 2018. So this is always a good sign, guys. You know, if you're winning competitions, then it just shows that, you know, you're getting the industry to verify that you are doing something that's valuable, right? I can see in the background that we are in the lovely Singapore. So I'm guessing this network, the headquarters may be in Singapore. I was in Singapore late last year. Beautiful, beautiful place. You know, the streets are so clean. So, you know, any company that's kind of born out of Singapore, I have some respect for you guys straight away by default. It's just a little bias. And obviously you have this beautiful building, this hotel. I can't remember the name, but it's an awesome hotel with a beautiful view. And I'm pretty sure last year there was a conference held there, an affiliate marketing conference. I can't remember. Or was it this year? I can't remember. But anyway, let's keep going. So the leading performance marketing network, you can count on always. Cool, good stuff. So they have exclusive offers through their strong partnerships with their direct advertisers. Their performance focus, so we evaluate performance in terms of eCPM. We have targeting capabilities worldwide. Yes, even San Marino. I only know San Marino just because, you know, when there's random football friendlies, I'm a big, you know, football, soccer fan. You might just see some team like Brazil playing San Marino and you're like, what the hell's San Marino? And you realize that it's a country, but most people don't know where it is. So the fact that they even have San Marino, that says a lot about the reach of their offers, and it shows that for us as affiliates, we have a good supply of offers that we can run already. So for affiliates, we promise you a network that works in your favor with dedicated WeWe experts at your service, fast payment terms at your advantage, and a targeted platform connecting you to a world of monetization opportunities right at your fingertips. Awesome, that's what we like to see. So we can see who we work with, affiliates, and then there's advertisers, and there's dollars. That's all we need to know about, right? Advertisers are paying the dollars, we're the affiliates. The rest of that, not that important for us. So let's have a look at what you'd need to do if you wanted to apply for this network. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is their application form. So you just complete your name, email, legal entity. If you don't have a company, just put individual. Then you could put in your company name or your name, put your website name, address, billing, tax ID. If you have one, it's not required. And then obviously your Skype. I don't want to hear anybody saying that they're going to be using Telegram. Like we're not in Forex trading. This is not crypto ICOs. I need you guys to be using Skype because majority of the business, as I always say, for affiliate marketing, outside of your campaigns, a lot of the business is done through Skype. So make sure you have a Skype account. It just makes life for you much easier. And I'm pretty sure everybody in the whole wide world can access Skype. So yeah, make sure you have Skype. So yeah, so you can then schedule a date and a time slot with your potential affiliate manager, and they'll be able to ask you some questions around your expertise, what your traffic sources are, what verticals you run, what's your current revenue, what's your highest revenue, just to get an idea and a gauge for, you know, what type of affiliate you are, what level you're at. So when it comes to, you know, giving you some offers, they know how to tailor the offers best to suit your current position. So in this section where it says describe the sites and methods used to advertise, talk about your traffic sources, you know, how you purchase traffic, some campaign styles that you run, offers that you tend to promote, how well they've done. Make sure you're selling yourself in this section because it's going to be very important to decide whether you're going to be accepted or rejected for the network. So make sure you sell yourself, but please, 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 do not start telling fibs, do not start lying, because, you know, liar, liar, pants on fire, you will get your pants on fire and you'll probably be banned forever if you start lying and you get caught out. So be honest, but just talk about your experience and just try to sell yourself, right? Cool. Let's take a look inside of WeWe Media. All right, so we can see straight away, we can see revenue, clicks, conversions, CVR, events, EVR. Awesome. So all the key metrics that we want to see as affiliates, we get that in our face straight away. So we see the revenue, how much money we're making straight away. That's exactly what we want to see. And we see performance, so yesterday versus today, last Wednesday versus today. And we can then, you know, separate that through the conversions. And we can have a full graph which would essentially display one line in one color for like yesterday, and one line another color for like today, or you can do it based on a different date, right? But that's all cool. So you can do it yesterday versus today, or essentially last week versus today, right? So that's awesome. That's awesome. All right, let's take a look throughout this dashboard. So we have our offers here. So when we start running offers, they'll all be displayed here, and it'll tell us by offer, what's the number of clicks, impressions, CTR, etc. All the key metrics that we need to know. It will separate that data by offer, which is very, very awesome. Cool. So let's have a look at some of the offers that we can run with WeWe Media. Let's take a look. Okay, awesome. So you can see that we have quite a lot of sweepstake offers. We've got dating offers. We've got, you know, CC credit card submit offers. So quite a lot of lead gen. We have COD, Nutra, skin. There's also straight sale. We got COD Nutra diet. We've got a pin antivirus. Nice. We've got some mobile content. Nice, nice. So there's a good range. There's a very good range. Nutra lifestyle, very awesome. And we have some gambling as well. So if you're into gambling, not necessarily just yourself, as in personal life. I mean, if you're into making money from people who gamble, then there's a gambling niche as well. That vertical is covered by this network. So all in all, just by taking a quick scan, even finance as well. So all in all, by taking a quick scan, I can see that WeWe Media have a wide range of offers, and it's neatly displayed. Let's have a look at their filtering system. So categories, have a look at COD. Let's look at skin. That's quite popular. You can run that on Facebook. Okay, cool. So there's algonica. How would you describe that? I would say algonica. Algonica. Anyway, they have that offer, and it's a Nutra offer. It's a skin offer. Why don't we take a look at how the offers are displayed inside of WeWe Media? So we let that load up. Okay, so we see the name of the offer. We can request approval. The currency of the offer is in USD. We can preview the URL, so it's essentially preview the lander. So I'll open that in another tab, and we can see that in a moment. And then we can see our stats, payout on the offer, also the description. So, you know, they don't accept incentive, broker traffic, cashback, toolbar, Instagram, teardrops, real teardrops. But it's fine, we can run Facebook for that particular offer. And in conversions, initially you're capped at 50 a day, but you know, if you're doing some good quality traffic and you can provide a good level of volume consistently, then I'm sure you can get that cap increased. But yeah, so that's pretty awesome. So for an offer like this, with a payout of around $17, you're looking at making a maximum of, what is that, just under $90 a day. Probably around $85 a day. Just off of this. No, sorry, did I say $85? I meant to say $850. So you can make around $850 just for this offer and just running that. But you know what, I'm gonna double check my maths, right? It's been a long time, right? I was very good at maths in school, and I always work with numbers, but I just want to be sure, right? Oh yes, I was right. So $850, that's what you can potentially make with this dollar a day. That's at the capped amount, right? This is at the amount that's capped. So this shows you how much money you can make with affiliate marketing, you know, if you know what you're doing and if you do things the right way. So let's have a look at that offer landing page. standard, COD, skin. You know, you got the product, you got like the beautiful face there, nice skin, and then we see name, number, all right? And then you just complete the details. And essentially how COD works is once they've entered in their name, put their number in, and submitted that information, somebody from a call center will give them a ring and say, hey, can you confirm that you want to essentially buy this product? Please provide your address, blah, blah, blah. And then a courier will then go to their house, and they will then pay by cash. So cash on delivery. Makes sense, right? So us as affiliates, we do not wait till they get paid, till they pay by cash for us to get paid. We get paid as soon as they confirm on the phone that they're willing to pay for the product. Makes sense, right? Exactly. COD all the way. Cool. I'm just clicking random things in my extensions. Apologies. So let's take a look back at WeWe Media. So we have smart links. They've got postbacks, invoices. Obviously, invoices are very important for your accountant and your finance team. Notifications. So notifications would usually tell you if the offer's got caps, etc. And with this network, you can deal with that directly with your affiliate manager. Reporting. So we've got reporting like statistics on your offers. Sub ID, you know, your daily metrics, your hourly metrics, your clicks, etc. And yeah, they got their analytics, and then a section for company. Awesome. So I want to actually go back to the main site for WeWe Media. Let's have a look at their affiliates page for one moment before we end this tutorial. It's their affiliates page. Let that load up. Blah blah blah. Cool. We convert clicks into money. So we've seen inside the network, we've seen the main page. This is the promise to affiliates now. You know, they have exclusive offers, reliable payments, highest eCPMs, insider resources, get access to resources from us and our partners that will help you to optimize your campaigns. So very crucial. So you get brought in on, you know, potential strategies for your campaigns. Obviously you get your account manager, which is your affiliate manager, and these are the key verticals within WeWe Media. So you've got Nutra, dating, sweeps, and CPI, so cost per install. So yeah, this is the tutorial for WeWe Media. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this content, please subscribe. Click the button below. Please like this video. If you have any questions about WeWe Media, please comment and ask those questions, and I'll definitely respond. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. We'll be producing more content very similar to this, and also content around the campaigns that I produce in terms of COD, cash on delivery. So yeah, see you guys soon.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.